Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs. I'm just going to go ahead and do a project. I need to be practicing for my competition, but I wanted a break. So what I'm doing is doing one of these. A reflective cube, but I'm going to do it with a 2x2. So I like this so much how it came out, and the blue is coming off a little bit, but that's fine. I just like the project so much, I'm going to go ahead and do it again on my 2x2. And if this one comes out good, I'm going to try it on a Mega Mix, which is, let's see, oh, I got one right here. I just have to take out all the stickers. I can't find a blank one, so I take out all the stickers and either find some sheets that are reflective like this, and then use my Cricut to cut it out. I'm going to have to cut it out by hand. So, but that would be cool to do that like this. It looks nice when it's dark and some lights flashing on it. It looks real nice. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Sort of like this one, but this is my camouflage one. So you got to keep, there's some that kind of look alike, but not that hard. It's kind of easy, but it looks pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and do that project right now. So, alright, we got a mess over here, so move everything to the side. This got these logos in. Can you see that? Let me see if I can shut the lights off. We're working on a game called Podium, and these are the my logo for that game. I'm done with it. I just writing out the rules right now. I've been play testing it. It uses 6 1x1s. So I'm using a template, a sticker set that I got from the Cubicle. Man, I can't see. So I just have to cut out, what, 24 stickers? Something like that. Alright, so that's my template here. So I'm going to go ahead and do white.
When your cube is feeling scratchy and your turn is kind of slow, there's a trick that all the speed cubers already know. How to drop a silky lube and watch your TPS grow. Now your solves are getting faster, here we go. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Even though the scramble looks atrocious, with the regular UV coating, oh, it's glossy, smooth, and ferocious. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Make up springs and corner cutting, make it glide without a sound. Bulk locks your layers in so nothing slows you down. Finger tricks are snappy as you have to just come down. PB's dropping every time you come around. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Your transitions now are ultra precocious. From inspection to last layer, every move is clean and gorgeous. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Out there's just flying at you ever done stop the clock? What a thrill! Sub 10, sub 9, you got the skill. Shine reflecting like a mirror in the lights, but so silky it just feels right. From casual soft to comp, they fight. You're climbing up the podium tonight. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Now you're turning powers down like vicious, with the Gonzo style performance, bold and white and oh so delicious.
Oh, you know what I forgot? I have a paper cutter now. I can cut this. My paper cutter. Got my paper cutter. Could be using this.
Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. When the cube is fast and shiny, man, that feeling is delicious. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious.
When your cube is feeling scratchy and your turning's kinda slow, there's a trick that all the speedcubers already know. Add a drop of silky lube and watch your TPS roll. Now your souls are getting faster, here we go. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Even though the scramble looks atrocious, with the reflective UV coating, all its glossy, smooth and ferocious. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Made well springs and corner cutting, make it glide without a sound. Bulk relax your layers in so nothing slows you down. Finger tricks are snippy as your averages come down. PB's dropping every time you come around. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Your transitions now are ultra precocious. From inspection to last layer, every move is clean and gorgeous. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. L-L-P-L-L. Yeah, you know the drill. L2L.
Alright, make sure I don't mess this up.
A-U-F and done, stop the clock. What a thrill. Sub 10, sub 9. You got the skill. UV shine reflecting like a mirror in the light. Grippy but so silky, yeah, it just feels right. From casual tones to cold day, you're climbing up the podium tonight. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Now you're turning powers down right vicious.
One
With the
more
Gonzo's now performance bold and bright and oh so delicious. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious.
Last but not least,
When your cube is feeling scratchy and your turn is kind of slow, there's a trick that all the speedcubers already know. Add a drop of silky lube and watch your TPS grow. Now your songs are getting faster. Here we go. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Even though the scramble looks atrocious, with the rective UV coating, no, it's glossy, smooth and ferocious. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Make left springs and corner cutting, we can fly without a sound. While core locks your layers in so nothing slows you down. Fingertips are snappy as your averages come down. BB dropping every time you come around. Hey. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Your transitions now are ultra precocious. From inspection to like layer, every move is clean and gorgeous. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious.
I got two. I got a 3x3x3 and a 2x2x2. So, there you have it. There you have it. Thumbnail. Now I am going to lube it. Should I lube it now? Yeah, I'm gonna do it right now. That should be enough. So, like it. Alright, so I'm done. I'm gonna put it on display now until I solve it. And I got my next to my camouflage one. So that's all I have. So if you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.